Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Are you looking for a creative way to decorate your home? If so, have you ever considered making a piece of art of furniture out of a rebar? As silly as this may seem, just know that many house owners and business have used reinforced steel to craft some of the most beautiful pieces around. It never hurts to think outside the box, and this is the perfect opportunity to do so. Since most people only associate rebar with building and construction companies, being able to see what else can be done with this material can be useful and inspiring. We have found some great rebar furniture ideas for you. The project range from simple and easy to complex and time-consuming. Depending on your interest, feel free to watch them and learn from the pros. The world of rebar art and craft is small but growing. This clip shows what the finished rebar furniture looks like. As you can see, reinforced steel can look gorgeous when you know what you are doing. Although we can't show exactly how it all goes together, it should give you an idea of what to expect. Rebar is available at your local home supply store, steel supply store, or you can round up some scrap rebar and recycle it. Rebar is an inexpensive material that you can experiment with. Along with the simple rebar bender, you can create a wide variety of beautiful furniture. This fun hobby can also evolve into a nice side hustle to make extra money selling your creation online, at a craft show or at events. If you have completed any great dye rebar project you would like to share with us, leave us a comment down below. See you again with the new furniture design ideas.